So in the video camera lineup this year, these are two new cameras. So these are traditional camcorder style cameras. They both shoot 4K. They're very similar models. They have a two-camera feature, like a picture in a picture. This one you can see has a separate built-in camera on the LCD. So this allows you to capture a small image. Let me see if I can show it to you on the back. No, we don't have power for this one. But it'll put a small picture in the corner, so you could point this at yourself and be talking when you're interviewing somebody and also show the reaction to it. Now, this camera, both the cameras will do this. So you can use this as your second camera, or you can use a smartphone as your second camera. So you can connect these via Wi-Fi, which all of these cameras have, to your phone or your tablet, and use that as a second camera somewhere else and record both of them together. The smartphone image records into this camera.
And 4K video, as we discussed, gives you 4 times high definition, and it gives you the ability to pan into your scenes. It shoots at 72 megabits per second, so it's very high quality capabilities with some of these. And in addition to the 4K video, you're able to use 4K photography, which is something we've taken over from our G series and our 4K cameras. Lets you pull still images out of your video and make an 8.8 megapixel still out of that. And it also allows you to crop the size as well. You don't have to be stuck in a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. You can change the aspect ratio to whatever you need for your scene. So that gives you that capability. And you also have the super slow motion or high-speed recording capability in 1080p, so that you can record in 1080 when you decide. You can push a button on the screen and switch it into super slow-mo mode at 240 frames a second. And it looks lush, beautiful, really, really nice effect. Hard to believe it's done so easily by just touching the screen. Let's see. Yeah. So now, watch from my hand. See the super slow motion kick in? And now back to normal. It's probably better ways to demonstrate it, but at least you saw what happened to my hand. I didn't slow my hand down that much. You know, the camera shot it at high speed and then played it back in super slow mo. This twin cam is built in the 970. These may be reversed. Let me just double check. This is the 970. The twin cam is built in the 970, and the 770 it's uses your smart device. That's cool. I like that. Once it's set up, all you would have to do is push the HDR button, and now it's set up. Now it's recording in HDR. So there's no additional work that you have to do. It's now making corrections in the camera. Every frame gets 2 corrections, the next frame 2 corrections, the next frame 2 corrections, and on the fly you have it running HDR.
From our perspective, we see only one world. A place where technology transforms complexity into simplicity. Information into being informed.
And separation into an always-on connection with the things that matter most to us. Our life
And our world. Connected.